Hi and welcome to another video. We'll be talking today about line charts in Excel. Line charts are used for continuous data in a given data set. An example we have here, I have a data that shows the total of different items over a year and over a period of month. So normally if you intend to look at this using line charts, you'll be using your data in the pivot level. You see it summarized in the pivot. What we use here was to make the data have the rows, having the month, the column, the years, and the number of schools in here. You go to your insert, enter your insert for charts, and you pick your line chart. When you pick your line chart, you just have variety of lines here as your choice. Pick that which you want, and you make some minor adjustment to it. So the data here shows that the January, February, March of different years of 2019 and 2020 is represented here. The blue line showing 2019 and the orange line showing 2020. It shows the variation and movement over time. So line chart is basically used for data where you want to see the pattern over a period of time. Most likely using date, month or year. This is easy for high level view and you can quickly make deductions using line chart. Thank you for watching this video and I'll see you in the next video.